We are here at Yankee Doodle Donut, Magnolia, Texas. We are a legend here. This Yankee Doodle Donut were originally owned from American. She getting retired and she sold the business to my sister-in-law. When my sister asked me to come, hey, you want to come over here and work in the donut shop? I'm like, yeah, why not? Because I'm a donut eater. I love donut since I was a kid. My sister opened up another location in Pinehurst. It's inside a gas station. We have glazed, we have icing, we have cinnamon roll, we have cinnamon twist. Basically a lot more, I couldn't name them. I would say everything's good because we sell out almost every day.
I'm here almost every morning on my way to work.
The kolaches are the best. The jalapenos with sausage, they're really good. They are so warm, so soft, so tasty.
Well, it's a good quick breakfast on the way to the lake.
What motivated me to wake up early every day is family. We get to work together. My wife's here, and my brother, and my sister, and I have my niece. It's good for a couple to work together so she can track me down. We are here 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
I'm with the donut and glassy, every day.
What makes a good donut? Heart, love. We've been here for more than 30 years. We know a lot of customers. I know their name, I know their kids, I know the dad, I know the great-grandfather.
I like how they treat people when you open the door. Right away, it's like they already know you. You are part of the family too.
With all those new technology that we have in here, credit card machine, when your Wi-Fi don't work, you can't take the payment from the customer. I'm using Comcast with my Wi-Fi. They're the best. I like what I do. My goal, retiring early. Yankee Doodle Donuts, we are the best here. You never try, you never know.